Well. I have a free gift from Honor. Bumili kasi ako ng 9X9C na Honor cellphone. Ito, may free gift sila. Kailangan mo lang mag-register. Wow! Free gift! Let's unbox it. Okay. See. Let's see. Paano ba ito buksan? It's like this. Ganda daw siya. So, ang 1,000 daw yung presyo nito pag bibilin mo. So, let's see. Oh lala. Ano ito? What? Ano pa ito? Ito yung charger niya. This is the charger. Okay. What is this? Ay, ginagamit ko din yung kanyang multi-video na feature ng camera. Ano pala to? Guide. Ibang language. Let's take a look. Let's see. Paano mo siyang maganda? Maganda naman siya. Diba? Bumili ako ng cellphone. And then, ito yung free gift nila. Kailangan mo lang mag-register sa website nila. So, ano ito here? Okay. Maganda siya. Ay, magaan lang siya. Tingnan natin sa kamay ko. Okay, where's the power? Anong instruction niya? Ayan na siya. Ayan. Okay naman siya. English. Please install the Honor Health app on your phone. Okay. Okay, I need to install. Ito naman. It's to installing. Where's the Play Store here? Okay, Play Store. See, ang ganda ta. Gusto ko itong Honor na to kasi tingnan mo, I can open multiple application, multiple apps. See, I'm taking a video and then I'm going to download the watch. Honor watch. Honor Health app. Yeah, this one. Let's download this one. Okay. Ay, install na pala siya eh. Okay, ano siya? Agree. Okay. Enable. Allow. Enable. Allow. Okay. And then connect device. A device. Okay. Allow. A device. Scanning. What can I scan? Yeah. Agree. Pairing. Okay. So, yeah. Pairs will begin. Complete. Begin. Oh, okay.